Friends, I am Myra Said and you are watching Kiram Informational YouTube channel. Today we will let you know about how to log in Threads. Before moving towards our topic, please tap subscribe button and bell icon so that you will get notifications for new videos. So let's move to our mobile screen. So first you have to go to the Threads. Press login with Instagram. You have to give your username, your email address or your mobile number. So I'm giving my username. You have to give your password. And then you have to press login. And then you have to press not now. And you have to press save password. Then third is asking you to send notifications. If you want to be notified, press allow. And that's it. You have learned how to log in Threads, and this is all. So guys, I hope this video will be very useful for you. Please like, share and subscribe my videos more and more. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.